Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox the S20 Smartwatch, and you can see the box in the screen. It is a very simple white box, and here is a watch face, and there is the Smartwatch watch S20. And also here is a color, and today we have a black color. Okay, now let's open the box. And you can see the watch, and also there is a menu, and charger, magnetic charger. Now let's see the smartwatch. The S20 smartwatch is a round case, and the size is 44 millimeter. And here is the back. And the strap is silicone strap. It is very soft and skin free, and very comfortable to wear on the wrist. Okay, and the charging is very simple. It will stick. Okay, I got the power bank, and let's see how to charge. Okay, now let's power on the watch and see the functions. This is the power on button. Okay, firstly let's see the clock faces. It has 7 clock faces. And this is sport mode. It has 11 sport mode. You can just test. And there are some other functions such as countdown and remote camera, find the watch and find the phone, and the brightness, and the Bluetooth music. It has to connect with the phone via Bluetooth first, and the weather, alarm clock, and stopwatch. And there are also heart rate and blood pressure and blood oxygen and ECG. And there is a sleep monitor function and the step pedometer. Okay, that's all those functions, and later let us connect the watch with the phone to check.